Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the wheelbarrow and grow a garden tube. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the wheelbarrow is one of the legendary items in grow a garden, and if you want to purchase it, you can go to the gear shop and then you need to purchase it with 500k shekels. And this is how the wheelbarrow looks like. If you already purchase it, you will own it permanently. This one. And then if you want to use this item, guys, you need friend in the same server because this wheelbarrow can carry your friend. So make sure that you have a friend in the same server. Once you have a friend, you can equip the wheelbarrow and then you can carry your friends. If you grab a person and then move them to somewhere, then and equip the wheelbarrow, it will make the player in the wheelbarrow drop and still be seated. And when you equip it again, you will teleport to the player as long as they don't jump. And yeah, you can use it um to steal fruits together with your friend, guys, if you want. But I don't think this item is worth. It's just for fun, and it costs 500k shekels. Oh my god, it's too expensive. But if you have a lot of shekels, you can try this item. But if you're still poor, better if you save your shekels for the other valuable items in Grow Garden too. Okay guys, and that's everything about the wheelbarrow in Grow Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.